Over a year ago, I went to Etsy and I purchased these 3D printed Ryobi hangers that hold the tools. That you screw the hangers to the wall and then you hang your tools on them. Now there was an accident here in my kerosene lab. You can see all the Ryobi tools that I had on the wall. Well, some of them fell. And this is the second and third time this has happened. See that? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it off the wall. I'm going to show you just exactly what's going on. I want you to notice what we've got here. It's not solid plastic. It's a honeycomb. And that's why it's failing. It can't take the weight of the tools that it's supposed to hold. Now, up here, this was the first one that failed. It was over, I forget what tool it was. But if you can notice, right along there, there's kind of a, like right there you can see it, that it's glossy. What I did was I used a lot of super glue. It was a whole tube of the Harbor Freight super glue. So I put that on and then I squeezed it together and it seems quite solid. So maybe I'll use that same method to fix it, or one thing I could do is take a drywall screw and go in there so that it would go straight through into this. That's probably hollow too, but maybe it would grab, or maybe I'm just going to have to use a super glue again. But in either case, these things, they've been up maybe a year and they're starting to fail. Now the thing about the super glue, it does hold very well, but you can only put it on after they break. Where if I use a drywall screw or something similar, I can fix the rest of them before they come down off the wall. Now what I've got here is a 2-inch coated drywall screw, and I'm going to try to put it right through the center of that post. We'll see what happens. So that's flush, and that doesn't look too bad. So with the screw in and it back up on the wall, I'm going to reattach the tool that was there. Now admittedly, that's a good sized tool. However, it stayed for a year. And that one has not come down yet, the reciprocator. Then I got the others down here that are all heavy. So I think what I'm going to do is pull every one off and put a drywall screw in, because obviously to save plastic, the guy that's making them, he's making that honeycomb and it's simply not holding. Not if you put anything bigger than a drill or an impact on it. And with about a half an hour's work, everything was taken down and put back up with the supporting screw in the center. Hopefully they're not going to come down again.